Have you outgrown your house in Loudoun County? Or maybe you're an empty nester getting ready to downsize? Here are some steps to help get your home on the market. Here are some steps to help get your home on the market.
The first thing you really need to do is call your realtor. So our numbers are
Meet to discuss what needs to be done, what your timing is, and review the listing paperwork and get signatures.
once your agreement is signed, the next step would be to start to clean and declutter your home. You need to maybe move things out and start to prepare it to go on the market.
At this point in time, too, a stager will walk through your home with you and help you decide if any painting needs to be done, if any furniture needs to be moved or put into storage. This can be very helpful.
Don't forget about the outside of your home. Curb appeal is so important. Buyers pull up, it's the first thing they see, and they may keep driving if it doesn't look good.
Right.
Yeah, so make sure that you trim your bushes, add some fresh mulch, maybe some fresh flowers, depending on the time of year.
Maybe a little power washing.
Power washing, maybe some painting. Maybe the front door needs a fresh coat of paint.
Next, the interior and exterior of your home should be ready for photos. So at this point in time, we would have a professional photographer come in your home to take photos and video for our marketing materials.
Yes, and maybe even a floor plan. And that could take a couple of hours. You would not have to be there. We would be there with the photographer. If we decide that pre-marketing is the way to go, your house would go into the MLS under coming soon. So what does that mean? That basically means that it would be advertised. We could put up a sign outside, we'll order brochures, but we can't show your home yet. This gives you a few extra days to get the last minute things done prior for it going on the market.
It also piques interest. People will see there's a sign in your yard and that it is coming soon. So the goal is to pique additional interest.
Right, build that excitement.
Your house is now ready for the market. It goes active in our MLS system and showings begin. So interest starts happening.
So once it's active, typically we like to put the houses on the market on a Thursday, and then on Saturday and Sunday, we hold open houses, which means you would be out of the house for a period of probably like 3.5 to 4 hours. And Deb and I would be there showing your home to anybody that comes to the open house.
And answering any questions they may have.
It's a good way to show large groups of people in a short amount of time.
Our goal is to have offers come in after doing a weekend of open houses for your property. If that doesn't happen because of market conditions, please know that scheduled showings still continue.
Okay, congratulations, we've got an offer, hopefully multiple. But the next step would be to sit down with you and go over the offer so you understand it completely, paragraph by paragraph. And if we have multiple offers, we would go through the comparison of the different offers and what each section means.
The merits of all offers,
Yes.
right? Pros and cons. Once you decide on an offer and all signatures are acquired, congratulations, you are ratified and under contract.
Woohoo! So now what we would have you do is order your HOA docs if you live in a community where there is an HOA.
Expect your homeowners association to come to your home, inspect the exterior, and if there are any violations, they will be noted and you will receive a list of those violations.
Expect, if there are any violations, that you need to remedy them. Buyers do not like to take on your violations and have to deal with it after they move in.
Also, maybe simultaneously, expect a pest inspection to be done on the exterior and interior of your home. The pest inspector will be looking for wood-boring insects that may have caused damage. If damage is caused, that will have to be remedied as well.
Yeah, this is a lender requirement, so the buyer's lender requires pest inspection be done. Make sure that you're keeping your house clean and neat and show ready. The reason for this is because next would be the home inspection. The home inspection is an opportunity for the buyer to come into your home with an inspector and check out all electrical, plumbing, everything in the home, right? They're going to be in their house for a period of like 2 to 3 hours. So we want that house to look just like it did when they made the offer.
And we want the utilities on.
Absolutely. Don't shut the utilities off, or that will have to be rescheduled and could delay your closing.
Right. After the home inspection is complete, if there are items the buyer is asking you to remedy, you can expect a copy of the home inspection along with an addendum stating what they would like you to fix, replace, etc. Please note that licensed contractors need to be used for those items that need to be remedied. Ro and I would definitely help you negotiate the home inspection.
And don't forget, keep the receipts because we need to show proof that you actually got the work done.
Right.
Okay, so next we're gonna tell you, start packing. Yay! to be moving soon. So schedule your movers and make sure you schedule them before closing day.
Now we're waiting for the appraisal to come back positively and at your offer price so that the transaction can keep moving forward.
Otherwise, back to the negotiation table.
Right.
Okay, so you need to move out prior to closing day. The house needs to be broom clean once you've moved out.
As per the contract.
Yes. And so buyers will be coming in to do a final walkthrough either the day before or day of closing. And so you have to be out of that house so that they can make sure that everything looks like it's supposed to prior to them signing for closing.
Right. You are at the closing table. Congratulations. You can now cancel your homeowner's insurance or transfer it to your new property, as well as either stopping your utilities or transferring them to your new property. Turn over all your keys and garage door openers.
Once the documents are recorded, the funds will be released by the title company and you will get your money for the sale of your home. Woohoo!
Congratulations. You have just sold your home.
So these are the steps. You can see there's a lot of them, and this is why you need a realtor to help you sell your home. And we're here for you.
We are the McLoughlin and Sommer team, your trusted realtors in Loudoun County.